Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your display name on Rocket League. As you can see, this is mine now. In order to change it, first of all, go ahead and close Rocket League. After that, you want to open up your browser and go to epicgames.com and log into your account. After you will be on your account, you want to go ahead and click on the top right corner right there and then go to account. Now, after that, you will see here account settings. All you have to do is click on this edit option and enter your new display name. You're gonna see if it's available or not. New display name, and then you're gonna check that you understand that you cannot change your display name for 2 weeks. Then you're gonna click confirm. And your display name has been updated successfully. Now, after that, go ahead, close the browser, open up your Epic Games launcher. You can also go ahead and refresh it. So just close the Epic Games launcher and open it up again. Also, just make sure to end the task on Task Manager of Epic Games launcher. And after that, you will see that your display name has changed. Now, if you would launch Rocket League, you're going to see also that it is changed on there too. Now, as you can see, the display name has changed. And yeah, if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.